This video highlights a common issue that we see when trying to connect to an MLG-2 Webchecker for the first time. So I am fully wired up. The wiring is correct, and that's kind of the number one thing to check to make sure that the synchronization wiring is correct. And you can find that in the manual. But if I just do a search device now, it's going to find the Webchecker. And it'll try to connect, and it'll give me a weird, you have 11 erroneous parameters, or sometimes it's more than 11, and sometimes it's just a weird error message that it gives me here. So, and it says not in sync. Now, typically when you see not in sync, that means that the synchronization wiring is not correct between the sender and receiver. According to the manual, it shows you that pins 2 and pins 5 need to be connected internally. We typically do that with a T connector, but you can also just do it with the wiring individually. But if they're not connected properly, it'll give you this not in sync. However, I've verified that the wiring is correct. I'm still getting the issue. So what we need to do, it is an SDD file error. So if I go to device catalog now, I just type in Webchecker. I'm going to right click on it and uninstall. And then now, once that's done, I'm going to click on the gear again. Actually, I'm going to go back to device search. Let's just click search again. So it pulls it up and it tells me to install device driver. So I'm going to say device upload. So this is one of those devices that has the SDD file built in. Some of the SDD files, even if I get it off the website, some of them are not compatible with the actual device that I'm holding. Could be a firmware thing, could be a number of things. But if there's an option to upload from device, always do that. So I click OK. So that process might take a few minutes to upload from the device, but once it's done, now you're going to see an offline here. So to go online, you click offline. Read parameters. And now you're good to go. So if you ever get that not in sync error, I would always recommend double checking the wiring to make sure pin 2 of the sender and pin 2 of the receiver are connected to each other, and the same with pin 5 for each. And then if that is correct and you're still getting the error, delete the SDD file from your SOPAS and reinstall upload from device like we just did. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.